and Nick just waited at the bowling alley for AirsoftFatty for an hour and a half. We were supposed to meet at 8:30. Shoot, what time is it, Nick?
It's like 9:15.
9:15, and he texted me and said he needs some socks. He doesn't have any socks. So I said, all right, meet me at the bowling alley as soon as you can, and I'll go pick you up some socks. Right here, 10 bucks. Jackpot. We're going to meet AirsoftFatty at the bowling alley. We'll see you there. And arriving an hour and 45 minutes late. AirsoftFatty.
I'm exhausted.
There you go, there's your socks. Alright, they said we have 20 minutes until they close. So we are extremely late for this video, so we're gonna hope to bowl our asses off today. So hopefully give you guys some sweet content. There you go. Have you ever been bowling before?
Yeah.
You like it?
Just the leagues here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We're about to tear it up, so stay tuned. First up, show us what you got. Oh, got her on the first one. Good attempt, good attempt.
The man in the picture there, there was my photographer, showed about half the outfit.
Yes, sir, we're in action, Sisco Kid. Wow, that was beautiful. You gonna beat us?
I don't know.
That was a pretty good one.
It's the niner, I'm telling you.
Oh, it's the niner?
Yep. Do it! Can he match to the...
Oh, there it is, right there. Close, but no cigar.
Cigars, there were none of.
No, not this time. Come on, this one's the one. I can feel it.
Damn.
Oh, there's a strike, too. Damn it.
Same damn split.
It's the same one every time.
Same one. Too much spin on it.
There it is.
That has to do it.
Oh!
Oh, that's got to do it. That's got to freaking do it. Oh, can someone grab me some film real quick?
I'll film you. Absolutely.
Beautiful spin, but it didn't go like I needed to.
Oh, keep going, all right. It's frustrating, I know.
You losers need to quit worrying about your damn thumbnail and get your head in the game. Frickin' idiots.
One still standing. One.
The last hit of the night.
Bowl.
The
This is
final one.
bowl.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, he might be going again. Oh, wow. What a way to end it. All right, final score. AirsoftFatty 44, Sisco Kid 53, and Nick Meyer 97. Way to take it away with the lead.
Let's try laser tag here.
Oh, laser tag, that'd be fun. Next video, laser tag. Thank you, fellas, for staying open with us. Sisco Kid, follow me on YouTube. SISCOKID. Have a good night.
Peace out, guys.
It was a tough game. It's probably because of the cold weather. That's what I'm thinking. It was a pleasure bowling with you.
Hey, let's try to do some more of it soon.
Fist bump. 3, 2, 1.